My name is Lynne Hayden Finley. I have been teaching ESL since 2001 for a variety of social service programs throughout New York City, but with university settlement for the past 8 years. Working with my students has been one of the most inspirational experiences in my lifetime. Every year, I continue to admire the determination, intelligence, and sacrifice my students demonstrate. It saddens me to think people who should know better think immigrants come to the United States, to New York City, because they want to get government handouts or work in difficult, poorly paying jobs. That could not be further from the truth. They come here first because they have heard this is a free country, something that cuts to the heart of their determination. They come here because they want to advance their education and excel in their professions. And they come here so their children will not have to suffer as they have suffered. But coming to a country where they do not know the language limits their options, and so they surrender to survival mode in order to earn enough money to pay rent, to put food on the table. That is why free English classes are so critical to their success and to the betterment of our city. I have seen how learning English builds confidence along the way until my students finally feel empowered to take a chance by moving to the next stage, getting their task, enrolling in college, or helping their children to enroll in college, and applying for jobs in a professional capacity. Many have even become citizens. Free English classes are nothing less than a direct investment in our city's economy that offers returns of over 100%. Please continue to fund adult literacy and ESL programs in our city. Thank you.